Welcome guys to the HardReset.Info channel. In front of me is a Logitech G915 TKL keyboard, and in this video I am going to show you how to manage Lightsync. Alright, so to do this, obviously firstly we have to open our Logitech G Hub app that we have to install from our browser, and next we have to just click on our keyboard. As you can see on the left, first option is Lightsync, and as you can see here we have some presets of the effects. So we have here effects like fixed, cycle, color wave, breathing and ripple. So for example, fixed. This is just straight color and we can choose from the palette of the colors like this. Next one is cycle, and you can change the rate and the brightness. As you can see, it's too speed, too fast now. Here we can also sync lighting option with other device. Here we have option like color wave, and we can choose if we want to have arrow wave horizontal, vertical, center out, center in, reverse horizontal or reverse vertical. We have here breathing or ripple. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!